What's up, everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Clarice over here. Let me try speaking like Nara Smith. So, guys, my friend just came over and he was craving banana cake, and I decided why not make the banana cake for her. So here we are. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, it's free. And if you're a returning subscriber, asante sana, karibu. And if you're new here, karibu. My name is Clarice. We do all things skincare, lifestyle, and fashion. So, guys, as my friend was craving the banana cake, let's make her some cake. Ooh, did I do good as a Nara Smith protege?
Hi guys, please like, share, subscribe. It's free.
Yes, thank you. So today I'm having a visitor, one of my best subscribers. Let us see you roll. Roll. You need to nakikupenda ujue for who you are.
Please.
Ukitakwa utasema amekupenda for who you are.
Dreadlocks hapa chini. Like ni vile
redeem yourself basi.
Any toy. Please. Just a bit. A bit.
Na zimekuwa refu. Zinafika wapi? Shoulder length.
Za nyuma zinafika somewhere a bit chini. Of course hizo zingine. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Please like, share, subscribe because it's free.
Yes, so today I'm baking her a cake. I hope itatokea venye tume envision. So here are my ingredients. We are baking a banana cake. So we have, of course, bananas, we have flour, we have bicarbonate soda, we have sugar, we have eggs, and some oil. Sijuka watu wanaekanga sugar. Ati sugar, salt.
I think so.
Okay guys, let's start with the video.
So guys, this has to be the easiest recipe, cake recipe I've ever seen, or banana bread I've ever seen. So your work is just to smash the bananas, then add everything hapo tu, hivyo tu, then mix, then just put it in the oven. Yes, so let's get into the baking. So guys, I'm not a fan of, separating the wet ingredients from the dry ingredients. I just mix everything together. So here are the ingredients: 1.5 cups of self-rising flour, 1 tablespoon bicarbonate of soda, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 bananas mashed, and 1/2 cup oil, and 2 eggs slightly beaten. So that's the recipe of it. I've indicated on the screen. So yes guys, we add everything, then we just put at the oven juu na chini at 180 degrees for an hour. That will be it. So let's mix the ingredients, then put everything inside the oven, and we hope for a good turnout. Yes guys.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep.
So guys, after your mixture is ready, you'll just apply some margarine on your baking sheet and some flour on your baking sheet to avoid your cake sticking to your baking tin after it is already done. So after that, nikamwaga, I poured all the mixture into the baking tin, making sure everything is in. Then I do this so that it can remove the air, and also it can be it can align in the tin well and to remove the air bubbles from the mixture. Then after that, just put it in the oven and wait for the results.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always.
So guys, we've done our cake, everything. We hope everything to be okay. So we have set it at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. We hope it will be fine.
Juzi na watch clip flani, madam anasema unashinda ukilia hupati mtu. Asubuhi unaamka waenda kazini, jioni watoka waenda nyumbani. Saturday siku ya kazi ya kufanya kazi za nyumba. Sunday kulala. Unataka kupata namba?
Exactly. Sasa wewe jua will marry you. So guys, our cake is ready. Ooh, imetokea. Ikaungua ama imefaa kukua hivi.
Sasa kama imebani kidogo.
So you want to taste.
It's alive.
It's alive, right? Aya, officially bring your orders. Sasa shida ni itaanguka.
Okay, itatoka kwa nini?
Kwa plate.
Itatoka. Kwa nini stock? Itatoka. Kama imeiva itatoka.
Isipotoka una cut.
So achilie hiyo alafu ufanye vile chape sasa hii maybe. Oh, sorry.
Tavunja sana. Haitoki. Just cut. Mbona inakatika? Our cake made it. Iko spongy ndo maana.
Vile inafaa.
It's true.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Yay!
Tuache ipo.
Happy birthday to you. Simchome please. Naona hiyo moshi inatoa.
I know.
I'm afraid. Nia zako nishaziona.
You should not enjoy.
Nia nzuri. Nia nzuri.
Take with the fork.
Umeshika hivi ndio ikianguka yanguke mkono. How is it?
I know very well.
Of course, I extract.
Mbona kunikumbusha?
I forgot.
Iko tamu. Hebu cut we eat.